Hi friends, hello. Today I will continue the same topic, means that is the mathematics part first. In that parts, chapter number 5, and in the chapter number 5, that is the exercise 5.1. So in this exercise we already see up to the example number 1 to example number 10, and now I will continue the example number 11 in the same exercise. Okay, so first of all we see that example. What is the example is here? See that. So if AB bar is equal to 2i minus 4j plus 7k, and the initial point A equal to 1 comma 5 comma 0, find the terminal point B. Means in this example you have to given the vector AB bar, and you have to again given the position vector of point A, otherwise the coordinate of point A, and you have to find the position vector of the point B. Okay, so it is very simple, because see that the given is that the coordinate of point A is equal to 1 comma 5 comma 0, and I will consider that is the A bar equal to I plus 5j be the position vector of the point B, and small b bar be the position vector of point B. Okay, so we want to find the vector. Now we have to given that AB bar, but we know that AB bar is equal to the position vector of point B minus position vector of point A, that is the B bar minus A bar. So in this relation we know the value of AB bar. So I will substitute the value of AB bar, that is the 2i minus 4j plus 7k, equal to B bar we don't know, so it is as the B bar minus you know the A bar, minus inside the bracket, that is the I plus 5j. Simplify this. So therefore B bar is equal to AB bar AB bar plus A bar, and so I will substitute the value of AB bar and A bar. So that's why we get that B bar is equal to 2i minus 4j plus 7k plus I plus 5j. So by simplifying, so equal to 2i plus I, that is the 3i, minus 4j plus 5j is equal to plus j, and that is the remaining 7 plus 7k. And so therefore this B bar is equal to 3i plus j plus 7k is the position vector of the point B, and that's why the coordinate of point B is 3 comma 1 comma 7. Hence the answer. Means here we want to use this formula, that is AB bar is equal to B bar minus A bar, and in this relation we substitute the value of AB bar and A bar, and that's then simplify this, you get the value of B bar, and that B bar means the position vector of the point B. Okay, now next example, question number 7, otherwise example number 7, that will be see that show that the following points are collinear. Means you have to provide the coordinates of the 3 points, and you want to decide that is the these given points are collinear or not. Okay, otherwise show that, means we want to exactly prove that these points are the collinear. So first one is given, that is the P of 4 5 2, means you have to provide the coordinate of the point P, and coordinate of the point Q is 3 comma 2 comma 4. Coordinate of point R will be 5 comma 8 comma 0. So to prove that these points are collinear, means we have to prove that any two vectors are the collinear, and if the two vectors are collinear and their common point, any one point will be the common, and so that's why these two vectors are, that is the these two vectors are means these two vectors are the parallel, and one point will be the common, and so that's why these 3 points will be the collinear. Okay, so that's why I will start here, that is I will assume that the small p bar equal to 4i plus 5j plus 2k, q bar equal to 3i plus 2j plus 4k, and r bar equal to 5i plus 8j be the positions vector of the point capital P, capital Q, and capital R respectively. Now I will calculate the vector PQ bar, and so you know that vector PQ bar is equal to, that is the position vector of point Q minus position vector of point P, that is Q bar minus P bar, And now subtract the value of q bar and p bar and solve this subtraction. So we get that is the 3i plus 2j plus 4k minus inside the bracket 4i plus 5j plus 2k. So therefore 3i plus 2j plus 4k multiply with by minus sign, so we'll get that is the minus 4i minus 5j minus 2k, and now collect the same variable. Therefore pq bar is equal to 3i minus 4i, that is the minus I, 2j minus 5j, its sum will be minus 3j, and now 4k minus 2k, its sum will be the plus 2k. So that's why we'll get the vector pq bar is equal to I minus 3j plus 2k. Similarly, we calculate the another vector, that is the PR bar, otherwise QR bar. So I will calculate the QR bar. QR bar is equal to R bar minus Q bar. And so equal to the value of R bar is 5i plus 8j minus inside the bracket 3i plus 2j plus 4k. So equal to 5i plus 8j. Now multiply each sign by each term by minus sign. So we'll get minus 3i minus 2j minus 4k. And now simplify. Otherwise, by solve the sum of the same variable. So that's why 5i minus 3i, that will be the 2i. Then 8j minus 2j, the sum will be the 6k plus 6j, and now next remaining only term, that is the minus 4k. And so therefore I will take out here 2 is common, so inside the bracket I plus 3j minus 2k. But again I will take out the minus sign is also common from this bracket. So that's why we'll get that q bar is equal to minus 2 inside the bracket minus I minus 3j plus 2k. And so this bracket value will be the pq bar. And so that's why qr bar is equal to minus 2 pq bar. And hence therefore the qr is the non-zero scalar multiple of pq bar. Means one vector can be expressed as a scalar multiple of another vector. That's why therefore QR bar is parallel to PQ bar, but the point Q is common here, and so that's why QR bar and PQ bar are collinear vectors, and hence the points Q, P, Q and R are the collinear points in the proof. So by the way, we solve this example. Means how will we solve this there? So first of all, you consider the positions vector of the given points. Then afterward, you calculate the any two vectors, that is a PQ bar, otherwise QR bar, otherwise PR bar, like this. And you know that how to calculate by the vector, that is the position vector of the terminal point minus position vector of the initial point. So by the way, and observe that any one vector can be expressed as a scalar multiple of another vectors. And if any one vector is a multiple of scalar scalar multiple of another vector, then the both vectors are the parallel to each other. And but so any one point is a common to there, and so if any one point is common, means these two vectors are collinear, and with the one point is the common, and that's why these given points are the collinear points. So by the way, we simplify the example number 13 also. 12 also. Now example number 13, if the vector 2i minus qj plus 3k and 4i minus 5j plus 6k are collinear, find the value of q. So here given the three vectors, and all these three vectors are the collinear, and there is the q is the coefficient of vector j, that is the component of j, and you find the value of that component. So that's why, so you know that friends, the vectors are collinear means vectors are collinear means their components are in proportional. So that's why I will write here, see that the given vectors, that is the 2i minus qj plus 3k, and another vector is the 4i minus 5j plus 6k. These two vectors are collinear, so that's why the ratio of their component, otherwise their components are in proportional. And so I will write the first ratio, that is the 2 upon 4 equal to minus q upon minus 5 is same as the 3 upon 6, and all these three ratios are equal, means they are in, their components are in proportional. Okay, and now simplify this. So I will compare the first ratio and last ratio. So that's why minus sign get cancelled. So here 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and therefore q is equal to, that is the 5 multiplied by 1 upon 2, and so is equal to 5 by 2. So answer will be q is equal to 5 by 2. I will already simplify this, and therefore q is equal to 5 by 2 is the value of the required value Okay, now question number 14. Are the 4 points, that is A of 1 minus 1 1, B of minus 1 1 0, C of 1 1 1 and D of 2 minus 3 4 coplanar? Justify your answer. म्हणजे हे पॉईंट्स कोप्लेनर आहे किंवा नाही, आणि असेल तर ते असेल किंवा नसेल तर त्याचं तुम्ही जस्टिफिकेशन देऊ शकता. मग बघा कसं म्हटलेलं या ठिकाणी की विल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल कन्सिडर दॅट इज ए बार, बी बार, सी बार, डी बार आर द पोजिशन्स वेक्टर ऑफ द करस्पॉन्डिंग पॉईंट्स, दॅट इज द कॅपिटल ए, कॅपिटल बी, कॅपिटल सी, कॅपिटल डी. ओके, so now I will consider here a bar is equal to I minus j plus k, b bar, small b bar is equal to, that is minus I plus j plus k, c bar is equal to I plus j plus k, and d bar is equal to 2I minus 3j plus 4k. Okay, so now I will calculate the vector ab bar first, and so ab bar is equal to b bar minus a bar, that is the position vector of point B minus position vector of point A, and so substitute the value of B bar minus value of A bar, and so by simplifying this, so we'll get minus 2I plus 2j. Similarly, we calculate the AC bar. AC bar is equal to C bar minus A bar, so I will substitute the value of C bar minus inside the bracket the value of A bar, and now simplify this, so we get the 2j, and that is AC bar is equal to 2j. Similarly, calculate AD bar. AD bar is equal to D bar minus A bar, so I will substitute the value of D bar minus inside the bracket A bar. By simplifying, we will get I plus 2j plus 3k. And now if A, B, C, D are coplanar points, now suppose that the points are coplanar, so if the points are coplanar, then there exists the scalar x and y such that any one vector can be expressed as a linear combination of the another two vectors. So that's why I will consider here AB bar equal to x into AC bar plus y into AD bar. Now substitute the value of AB bar is equal to x multiplied by value of AC bar plus y multiplied by value of AD bar, and now simplify this. So by after simplifying, you get like this. Okay, that is the minus 2I plus 2j equal to 2xj plus yi plus 2yj plus 3yk, and again simplify, we get this linear, that is yi plus inside the bracket 2x plus 2yj plus 3yk, and now compare the coefficient of I, j and k, so you get the three different equations. So first equation, by comparing the coefficient of I, we will get minus 2 is equal to y. Second, by comparing the coefficient of j, we get 2 is equal to, that is 2x plus 2y, and by comparing the coefficient of k, that is this side is 0, is equal to 3y. And so simplify, we will get value of y is equal to 2. Here by simplifying, we will get value of y is equal to 0. And so y is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 0. These values are not possible, and hence the vector cannot be expressed as the linear combination of the two vectors, and that's why the given points A, B, capital A, B and C and D are not coplanar vectors, sorry, are not coplanar points. Hence we verify this. Okay, now we stop here.